So hello guys, welcome to Kotlin tutorials blog. Today we will be learning how to make declare variables in Kotlin, how to initialize the variables and print them. So let's start. Now we would be again writing the function main arguments, the array string and opening the brackets. Now we can have two ways to declare a variable. Say we can take by var number1 equals to 30 and val number2 equals to say 20. Now how to print them is just give a print line statement and say right here number1 is equal to come out and give plus number1. Now again write print line number2 equals come out and give number2. Now we would be executing this. We have get the preferred output, that is number1 equals 30 and number2 equals 20. Now in Kotlin, variable can be declared using var and val, var and val keywords. Okay, here we have mentioned the type of variable. Compiler takes the type depending upon the initialized value. If we initialize the variable at the time of declaration, then mentioning data type is optional. Now, what's the difference between var var and val val? Var variable declared using var is mutable. It means we can modify its value anytime. But if we have taken val variable declared using val are only a read-only type. It means that we can't modify its value once we have assigned it earlier. So yes, we would be keeping it till here, and stay tuned for the more content and more interesting facts about the Kotlin that would be doing in the next video.